Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and BORIM.
This is a road which is being constructed at BORIM. A petition has been filed on the ground that it violates the provision of the Town and Country Planning Act. That is, as far as slopy lands are concerned, they could not be cut. That is the argument. But as far as government is concerned, government has already granted permission to this construction of a road. Road is being constructed by the PWD, and the matter came up today. We requested the court to give us some time to file a reply. The matter has been kept in the next week. The High Court has not granted it any stay because there is already a permission, and it is his case that it was not possible to grant permission for this construction of road. Now that has to be considered by the affidavit being filed by the state of Goa.
एका खाजगी संस्थे खातीर PWD रस्तो कित्याक बांदता ते फुडल्या सुनावणे वेळार सांगचे म्हूण कोर्टान सरकाराक सांगला.
See, what happens is this is a construction of a road to a particular institution or a particular temple which may come there. Now, in law, I don't think there is any bar for the government to construct such a road if some important institution is coming up somewhere. That way, government provides roads for people in their private colonies also.
प्रतिवाद्यांनी 11 सप्टेंबर मेरेन जाप दिवची म्हूण सांगून हायकोर्टान 12 सप्टेंबराक सुनावणी दवरल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.